Hi, my name is Bree Arthur, author, horticulturalist, and enthusiastic home gardener. This is one of my garden kitties, Sophia Petrillo. In these challenging times, spending time outside and getting creative in your garden may just be your greatest contribution. Little Prince of Oregon is launching a brand new online referral service to help support independent garden centers across the U.S. Garden Center 911 is intended to provide a low-input income stream for garden centers. No website setup, no inventory to manage, just an opportunity for them to continue to get plants into their customers' hands. Starting tomorrow, March 26th, garden centers can advertise this program and they will make 20% off of the purchase price of each sale that they refer. The goal is simple: to help independent garden centers maintain service this spring while in-person interactions are limited. With the incredible inventory and high-quality plants, Little Prince of Oregon is an ideal place to be able to offer this service from. They're well equipped for shipping, and your customers will be able to make this spring one that they not only remember because of quarantines, but also because they rediscovered the joy of gardening. Check out Little Prince of Oregon for the Garden Center 911 program. Please stay safe, stay healthy, and let's work collectively to make the spring of 2020 one to always remember as we create a whole new gardening ethic.